This is roller conveyor shop blasting machine. This equipment is used for surface rust removal and cleaning of trailer chassis. Total length is 40 meters. Can clean various work pieces with a length of less than 12 meters, a width of less than 3 meters, and a height of less than 1 meter. Trailer chassis and other work pieces. Transport into the blasting chamber through roller conveyor. Detection and alarm devices are installed on the shop blasting machine. The equipment can be fully automated running through the PLC control system. After the workpiece into blasting chamber, 12 units high-efficiency blast wheels started working. The speed of roller conveyor can be adjusted according to the different workpiece. The number of blast turbines that can be operated is selectable. The installation position of each blast wheel is designed through 3D simulation, fully ensure the purpose of cleaning the workpiece one time. In order to extend the service time of the shop blasting room, the rollers and guard plates are made of solution-treated rolled and anthracite. Steel shot is the abrasive blasting machine. Abrasive recoil system is one of the most important parts. The steel shot through crosswise and longitudinal screw conveyor into bucket elevator, then into the separator at the top. The separator adopts the most advanced 3-stage air selection flow curtain type, can completely separate steel shot and impurities. Ensure the quality of the steel shot and system. If the steel shot and impurities are not separated completely, it will definitely affect the shop blasting effect. Shorten the use time of blast wheel. At the same time, this machine equipped with cartridge filter dust collector. The filter cartridge uses imported filter materials and Donaldson technology. Dust removal efficiency over 99.5%. Through the close cooperation of various components of the shop blasting machine. The clean workpiece leave blasting chamber. Rust removal guard reach 4.0到2.5. The exit is also equipped with a shot collection system. The steel shot carried on the workpiece can be recycled. Shop blasting machine not only improves work efficiency, it also provides a guarantee for the quality of the trailer chassis. Please call us if you are interested in this machine.